So the reason he's removing the drive shaft is to put the quick release coupler on it, which means that it's nice and easy to pair it back together again. So you're connecting the drive shaft with the implement off the tractor, which means it's very nice and easy to marry back together. So now he simply, because the wheels are locked, they're not swiveling or fighting you, he literally just walks that up to the tractor, lifts it up, pushes it in to within half an inch or 25 mils of the tractor. Now you can see he's leaning down and he's just simply pushing that on. While it's on, he then pulls the pin off. You can hear the click. It's nicely together. So now he's going to put the tractor wiring loom onto the chipper. He's pushing the chipper back onto the tractor, and then the pins are very nice and easy to to put back in because they're facing upwards. So they're nice and simple to pop back on. And then the very last step on it is tilt the seat forward and reconnect the springs. Disconnect the two pins there, which now means that the wheels can rotate or caster. And that's done. You're ready to operate. Now we're going to show the process of taking the Walker PTO chipper on and off. So what you can see I'm doing here is tilting the seat forward to release the springs. So the next step after that is obviously you disconnect the wiring loom. So each tractor, when you buy the chipper, comes with a wiring loom which allows the operator to run the tractor without someone sitting on the seat. So now he's disconnecting the two pins which are on your arms to allow the chipper to slide off the tractor. So he's going to lock your pins in the straight position, so that it means that it's very nice and easy to take it off. Now the chip will simply slide off the tractor.